going to show you how to use AI to create an automated outreach system that you can use for both email and LinkedIn that is compliant with LinkedIn's terms of service and that is absolutely free. I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So let's go. So I've got a LinkedIn profile pulled up here of someone that I connected with. And if I wanted to reach out to them and I wanted to sell to them, I want to send a tailored, targeted, well-written, well-structured outreach message that shows them that I'm a real human that's checked them out and that is reaching out to them for a specific purpose. You could do that manually by sitting and scrolling through their LinkedIn profile, looking at their about section, looking at some of their past posts, looking at where they've worked, looking at common interests and schools that they've gone to. Or you can do this. You could use this little tool called WebPilot. It's a free Google Chrome extension. I'll hit WebPilot, and it's got a bunch of pre-built prompts, and it allows you to add new prompts by just clicking Add New Prompt. But I'm going to use one of their pre-built prompts. So here it is, summarize in English, concise and clear. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to give you a quick summary of their LinkedIn profile. It's beautiful because it also works for websites because it's a browser plugin. So let me go here. Here we go. Here is this website. I'm going to hit my little plugin, hit summarize. Consultancy focused on enterprise applications, leveraging decades of industry experience, et cetera, et cetera. Cloud native software solution for the wine and agricultural industries. So that's great. It lets me see at a glance what this company is about, what this LinkedIn profile is about. But what if we want to make it sharp, punchy, concise, quick, so that we can use that in an opening line in a cold email or a LinkedIn outreach message? Here's what we do. You can go ahead and say, add new prompt. And I'm going to add the prompt instructions right here. I'm going to say, please summarize this website in one sentence, no longer than 19 words. Start the sentence with, I know you, be concise and clear. Here we go. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it test. Save. Now I have my test prompt right there. I'm going to click test. I know that you find comprehensive enterprise application solutions and services tailored to various industries. New Verge. Okay. That's not that good. So we're going to fix it. We're going to say, describe what they do, who they help, and what makes them unique. Okay, save. I'm going to hit my test prompt. Discover cloud native enterprise applications and managed services from New Verge, tailored for the wine industry. Still not as good as I want it to be, but that's okay. Because once we get it good, you can use this for any website, any LinkedIn profile that you want. So let's go back, click right there. We're going to hit our edit button, and we're going to say, please summarize this website, concise and clear. I want to use it as a first line for a cold email. Start the sentence with, I know that you, be concise and clear again. Save. Hit test. I know you look for innovative cloud solutions, and New Verge specializes in tailored enterprise applications for the wine industry. Still not where I want it to be. No problem. Here we go. Let me edit that. Run test. New Verge delivers innovative cloud native enterprise applications and managed services for the wine and agricultural industries. Great. So that's describing what they do a little bit better. We're going to go back here. We're going to hit that right in the second person, like I'm writing to them. Start with, I see that you focus on enhancing enterprise operations and delivering tailored solutions, particularly in the wine and agricultural sectors. Okay. So I can literally take that, copy that, put that in a cold email directly to the CEO with my pitch and get a response. I'm going to use this same prompt here on this guy's LinkedIn profile. So here we go. We're at his LinkedIn profile. I'm going to go here to refresh my page. Here we go. I see my test prompt. I see you're a business and insurance advisor and CEO, specializing in risk management for the home health and home care businesses. Great. Now, if I want to make this even more brief, I could say no more than 15 words. Hit save. Run it again. C specializes in risk management and insurance for home health agencies. Bingo. That's what we want. A crisp, clear, direct, personalized, authentic first line that you can use for LinkedIn and for cold outreach. I hope you can see how powerful this is. I use this almost every day to reach out to my ideal clients. It is phenomenal. You can create your own prompts. You can use their out-of-the-box prompts. WebPilot gives you 50 uses per week. So if you're reaching out to 50 people per week, absolutely free. You can also hook it up to your ChatGPT OpenAI account via API, and you have unlimited usage tied to your OpenAI account. It is phenomenal. In my next videos, I'm going to show you how I use this process at scale and how you can start automating first lines using AI for your cold outreach through Google Sheets. But this should be enough to whet your appetite, and I want you to start using this right away. If you sell any type of tech consulting, any type of digital transformation services, you need to use this to build instant rapport with your recipient on email and on LinkedIn. So I hope that was helpful. Leave any comments if you have questions. If you want me to help you build a free plan, and if you actually want me to give you my free books, LinkedIn Lead Gen System and Entrepreneur Elite, leave me a comment, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'll send you those right away. Thank you so much.